Imagine this. You're halfway up a mountain, the sun is blazing, your backpack feels like it's filled with bricks. And oh, you just realized you forgot water. Yeah, big yikes, no? Wanna avoid these hiking mistakes? Don't worry, we've got your back. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to prepare for an epic hike, from the must-have gear to the biggest safety tips that could literally save your life, so you don't end up stranded, starving, or crying in the wilderness. We've got you covered. Stick around because we're about to make your next hike a whole lot easier. Pero bago tayo magsimula, let me introduce our crew first.
So sino-sino nga ba mga kasama natin ngayon? Meet the crew. We have Abby, Riona, syempre hindi mawawala si Mark. Sila ang ating mga kasama for this video para maturo namin sa inyo what exactly to prepare for an epic hike, and also to show you what tips and safety measures to remember during a hike. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and as always, enjoy.
Well, I think that's it. Let's get into it.
Okay, you don't want to be that person who shows up to the hike with nothing but vibes and regrets. So narito ang aming ultimate checklist para sa inyo kung ano nga ba ang dapat dalhin pag mag-hike. Let's go!
Hiking stick, para di ka mapol sa kanya. Joke! Nakakatulong ito preserve ang stamina mo.
Next na kailangan natin isang cellphone para may pang-contact tayo in case ng emergency. Water to stay hydrated.
Compass, para ilid ang way mo sa tamang tao. Eme, para hindi ka lang maligaw sa bundok.
Straw or panalik. This provides safety for climbing, rappelling, and rescue, preventing falls in challenging mountain terrain. Sunglasses shields eyes from harsh UV rays and prevents blindness and discomfort.
Power bank, in case na malobot ang ating mga phones.
Next up, we have food and snacks. Syempre, magugutom pa sa pag-hike. So you need anything lightweight but filling.
Umbrella in case na umulan o umaraw, may shelter ka. Towel para may pampunas ka.
First aid kit, because blisters and scrapes can happen.
So t-shirt para may pamalit.
And last but not the least, ground sheet or tarpaulins. Ginagamit to protect you from moisture and dirt, shelter from rain and wind, and para sa paggawa mo ng emergency shelter.
And if you're hiking with friends who don't know what to bring, send them this first para naman aware sila, and syempre, they'll thank you later. And syempre, since hiking ang topic natin for this video,
Maga-hiking tayo. So here's the game plan. This is me in my house. Around 4:30 AM, kaming apat ay magmi-meet up sa Louvers, Montalban, Rizal. Pagtapos, sabay-sabay kaming tutungo sa Mount... Whoops! Stick until the end of this video dahil malalaman nyo mamaya kung ano nga ba ang bundok na aming pupuntahan. Let's go! So it's currently 4:35. Ang madaling araw ako magmadali kasi naghihintay na sila sa meeting place. So let's go. At dahil nalit ako nagising, dali-dali akong kumaripas ng takbo at naghanap ng masasakyang jeep patungong sa aming meeting place. So eventually nakita-kita naman kami sa aming meeting place. It's just that medyo nalit lang kami ng onte. Narinig niyo yun? Kami ngayon ay nasa Mount Parawagan na makikita dito lang sa Rodriguez, Rizal. Ang Mount Parawagan na isa sa pinakamahirap at pinakamagandang pag-akyatan na bundok sa Montalban, Rizal. Ang barangay San Rafael ay located sa western side ng Sitio Wawa at naglilid ito sa trailhead ng Sitio Parawagan. Parawagan. Sasalubungin ka ng mga tanawin ng maliliit na sapa, mga magkakahalong kagubatan, ang Sierra Madre Mountains at ang mga luntiang burol sa gilid ng trail.
makikita mo ang Lamesa Dam Reservoir at ang skyline ng Makati mula sa layo na halos 6 kilometers. Ang Mount Parawagan ay may hike length na 5 kilometer distance from the drop-off point to the summit. Ang minor jump-off nito ay makikita sa Sitio Balagbag, samantala ang major jump-off ay makikita naman sa Barangay Wawa, Montalban, Rizal. Sinasabing ang difficulty nito ay 3 out of 9. Ang Parawagan ay may meters above sea level na 480 plus. Kaya naman sa mga beginner dyan, ay swak na swak to para sa inyo.
Okay guys, mabigat yung bag ko. Kailangan natin distribute yung mga gamit. Di ko to kakayahin mag-isa. May bag kayo for a reason. Mga pala. Oh, sa'yo na yung t-shirt ko.
And off we go to Mount Parawagan. Aming nakasama ang isa naming kaklase na si Marquejano na isa ring residente dito sa Parawagan. Ginaid kami along the halfway para sa mga kailangang i-expect sa pag-akyat sa tuktok at syempre yung mga kailangang sundin na protocols tuwing mag-hike dito. Nakatungtong din sa tuktok ng Parawagan. Pero wait, narito na ang aming tips and safety measures.
Not asking locals or authority. Dapat, pakapalan yung mukha nyo kasi kundi, paano na lang kayo para to sa sarili nyo, okay?
Not checking for the weather. Nothing ruins hike faster than getting caught in a storm.
Abi,
Oh.
may tumatawag sa'yo, magulang mo.
Ha?
Oo. Kanina po, 99 missed calls.
Lo?
Oo. Sagutin mo na. Promise. Ang tanong, nagpaalam ka ba?
Hindi.
Not telling anyone where you're going. Always tell anyone where you're going. Hike with a companion. Huwag kang mag-hike mag-isa kasi hindi mo alam kung ano mangyayari sa'yo.
Pwede pa.
Ay no, talaga. Init. Dami ko pandala oh.
Ano, marami kang gamit?
Oo. Madami ang gamit.
Paano kasi dala-dala mo yung bag mo? Tinan mo bag namin, oh. O, unti lang. Ako nga, wala akong bag eh.
Nasaan bag mo?
Kaya guys, overpacking is one of the hazards that we can experience. Kaya, huwag tutularan tong kasama natin. Bring only what you need. Don't bring your whole house. Not using the right attires and equipments. You see, wearing proper footwear and trying to keep your feet dry is also important. Choose lightweight, bring several layers of clothing even it's sunny and warm because the weather can change. Sunglasses, sunscreen, and hat to protect yourself from the sun should also take in full.
Let's go. Ano, kaya pa?
Pagod na ako.
Yan kasi guys, huwag nyo ina-overwork yung sarili nyo. Kung hindi nyo na kaya, tama na.
Uy guys, tara, lipitin natin to dali. Parang walang dumi. Talaga. Game na.
And of course, kailangan natin maglinis. Manners ba? Okay na. Tara.
Hiking is awesome, but it is more fun and better when you are prepared. Pack smart, stay safe, and always check the weather before heading out. And also, kung ayaw nyong mainitan, huwag kayong mag-hike ng top ng tirik ng araw. Okay? Huwag nyo kaming gayahin, guys. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and as always, see you next time.
May chance mamatay kayo.
That's what happened